Hello, today we'll show you how to reset camera settings on Samsung Galaxy M20. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now go to the camera application and here choose the settings icon, the little gear on the left, and simply swipe up and select reset settings at the very bottom and confirm that you want to reset camera settings by choosing reset once again. And just like that, our camera has been reset and we are once again getting tutorials just like when we first turned it on. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.